Magandang hapon po ng February 17, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 17, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng February 17, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasa para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 17, 2025 Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for February 17, 2025 Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for February 17, 2025 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.